love to cater to everyone's needs. That's why we try so hard to provide each and every one with great service. And we're happy to say it's paid off with a glowing 5-star review that we'd like to share with you right now. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one, and it motivates our team to serve you better. We work very hard to achieve great reviews like this. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.